We're here at the Nebraska State Capitol, and there's this thing. I was on my way out and I saw a sign that said elevator with an arrow pointing away from where the other ones were. What the heck? Is there a label? I can't see. Who installed this thing? It doesn't say. Capacity? Any sort of label? I can't tell. Weird. Anyway, up to 3. There's the tower we were in. I did not know there was an elevator in this little part. Strange. Huh. Very weird. Runs well. Almost might be Montgomery. Kind of sounds like Montgomery door equipment. Anyway, that's it.